President Trump's tariff fallout with China may sting US-China trade, but there is at least one country waiting in the wings. Russia is moving up the rankings of world grain and fish exporters, and its trade with China is only rising.
Hundreds of years ago, peasants cultivated crops under the scorching sun.
This may be a rosy portrayal of peasant life in Russia, but Rusagro is Russian farming's modern giant, a $1.5 billion company that could cash in on new Chinese demand.
In fact, we had troubles exporting even soya to China for the coming couple of years. But this year we see a big difference. There is a big interest from Chinese companies to develop new sources of raw material, and we're looking to sign our first direct contracts this year, especially in soya. The benefit for Russia is closeness of China to Russia. In fact, Russia can export to China in 4 different directions.
But how ready is Russia, really?
For years, it has been Moscow's policy to pivot east, particularly in the face of punishing sanctions from the EU and US. A growing trade fallout between the US and China will only make that more urgent. The problem for Russia, though, is that it can only do so much. US sells millions of tons of soya to China, and Russia can't produce that in the foreseeable future.
Russia needs better infrastructure, more fields and more factories to do that, but businesses insist that is all coming.
In general, we have a target to double production of the 35 million tons of oilseeds by 2024, as well as increasing processing capabilities, logistics and port facilities. The goal is to attract investment, and the government is ready to provide support in order to increase production output. I think that business is ready for it.
In the meantime, Rusagro had this message.
Well, there is nothing stable in this world, but since we're the company that is looking to expand, we're looking for such moments, because these moments create an opportunity for us. So please be ready, our competitors. We are coming.
And perhaps that's why businesses like this have a smile on their face. Dan Ashby, CGTN, Moscow.